It's dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Hi, Auntie. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary if you're seeing this face for the first time, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, consider subscribing already guys, and please give this video a thumbs up. So on today's video, I got this gift, Christmas gift from my colleague Salome. Thank you, Salome. I know you're going to watch this, and I love my gift. Thank you so much. I'm going to open them. You're my secret Santa. What is inside? It's a dress. Okay. No way. Really? Look at that, guys. Look at that. I love it. Is this sari? What is this dress called? It's so beautiful. Let me try it. Okay, so this is for the neck, I think. This goes on the neck. Okay. I love it already. Okay, let me figure it out. Okay, so I guess this is the material to stitch and get something like this. So this is what I'll get when I stitch this. I love it. Okay, so it goes like this. So I will have to go stitch this. And I'm excited. Whew. This is for the babies. Thank you, Salome. My toys. It's soft and beautiful. Look at those earrings. I'm going to be Indian. I like it. I'm Indian. I am Indian. I'm Indian. I am Indian. I'm Indian. I am Indian. I'm Indian. I love it. Thank you, Salome. Thank you so much. Look at my dress. I mean, you guessed my size correct. It's exact size. Thank you. Thank you. I love it. I know Eliana is going to love it. She likes toys, you know. I'm sure she's going to love it. Dinosaur. Eliana. Eliana. Come and see your gifts.
Yes?
Auntie bought gift for you. Look, Auntie bought gift for you.
Wow.
You like it? What is this?
It's dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
What that?
What is this? Tortoise. You like it?
Yeah.
Come and tell Auntie thank you. Tell Auntie thank you. Auntie's in the camera. Tell Auntie thank you.
Hi. Auntie, thank you.
You're looking for Auntie in the camera. Tell Auntie thank you. Auntie can listen. Tell her thank you.
Thank you.
Is that how to say it?
Auntie, thank you.
Say thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I love you, Auntie.
I love you, Auntie.
You like your dinosaur?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom, give my friends.
You want to give your friends?
Yeah.
Alright, baby. So I'm going to stitch this one. I can't wait for this dress to be stitched. Really, it looks very beautiful and I can't wait. Let's see. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Salome. Thank you so much. I love and appreciate my gift. God bless you. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and see you guys in the next video.